AIDs, welcome to Module 6. This is a really exciting one, and it's the learning management system, and we're also going to be talking about the module blueprint. I decided to do my recording outside today because it's such a beautiful day. So here I am. The learning management system is really important because that's the place where we host the courses, and we really need to kind of get to the bottom of what those things are, or what it is. And, basically it's really just a big, robust website, and it's got a lot of capacity to host courses and things like that, and that's the specialty of that particular site. But, a lot of the principles in there, a lot of the tools that are in there is not that much different than, any other just a really big website. It does a lot of the same things, but it's just specialized for our use in hosting an online course. So we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about what it is, and also the question I always have about when we're talking about learning management systems is like, is this the future of online learning, or is it something different? Blackboard is the big dog essentially in this market in terms of hosting online courses, right? That's the one that seems to be the industry standard. But you know what? The future hasn't been written on that, in terms of what the next big thing is with hosting online courses. So that's one thing you ought to be thinking about this week. I mean, as you're looking through these things and thinking about it, and actually looking at your own course space, which is coming along, what is the future of the learning management system and all that? So we'll be talking about that. And the other thing that we're going to be really digging deep with this week is the idea of the module blueprint, which is going to be the tool that's going to be really helpful to you in terms of getting all of your materials organized, each of your assignments, your rubric for your summative assignment, all of those things, getting that kind of thing in order. And it's meant to be a tool that makes things, one, it gives you a good record of what you have in terms of the materials. And then the second thing, of course, is it makes it easy to build in Blackboard. It makes it an easy thing to do. Those are the things we're going to be doing this week. It's a really exciting time because we're actually just going to be moving ahead on the actual development of our course and all of that. Expect this week that two things that I want to bring to your attention. One is that the course space that you're going to be using is in process right now. It's actually it should be in my hands today, but it may take maybe a day to get it all templated out. Sometimes it comes in and it's just really bare, and I want to make sure that we have some things in order there in terms of a template, so it makes it a little bit easier for you to use. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is I'm going to be sending out an email about the possibility of having a synchronous session with me and each of the two groups to talk about your project and how things are going and what help I can offer and all of that sort of thing for your course project, and just a check-in type of thing. And so I'm going to ask, make that request for a meeting maybe later in the week this week in Module 6. Okay, so that's the thing, and I hope you have a really wonderful week. Welcome to Module 6, and we'll see you online. Bye-bye.